let go. All elevators are exactly the same. I'm not gonna bother renting this car, any other cars. But this is at the second floor, and we're at the Nordstrom parking deck with this XL elevator. Lower level. This is elevator number 17. This used to be a Schindler MT, but was definitely low on oil, but XL did a great job on the elevators. All elevators are exactly the same though, I'm just asking. Not cool. Here we are at LL, which is lower level. Up to 3 we go. And don't close button works on a Schindler or XL. Whoa. We'll end on 2. And I like how the door close button works on a on a Schindler or XL. Very nice. I love this elevator. It also reminds me of the JCPenney where WAP1E gets filmed. Also, my battery's at 17%. We're gonna have to do it quickly before my battery goes dead. Here are 2. It's on 1. All elevators are exactly the same. I'm not gonna bother riding this car. Anyways, I cover all the elevators. That'll be it for today's video.